Okay, thank you very much everyone for coming and your interest. I'm going to present a very high-level introduction to the computer vision with convolutional neural networks. CNNs have been very popular in a lot of the computer vision applications, and this is going to be a very high-level introduction to that. There is going to be other sessions regarding the training and also different applications like object detection, etc. We are just going to have a very brief introduction to them, but the details will come in the following sessions. And if you have any questions, please raise your hand, come to the microphone and ask me and interrupt me. I would love to have an interactive session. So let's get started. So as I mentioned, we are going to have a high-level intro to AI. We will talk about conventional computer vision and deep learning. Then neural networks and deep learning. We will talk about the fully connected networks, elements of neural network, and how the training is usually done, but not very deep into any of these. And then we will go into convolutional neural networks, talking about its building blocks, then applications of it, and some popular networks for both general and also edge applications. So starting with the intro. So what is a model, a machine learning model, a computer vision model, an AI model? All of them are the same thing, basically. And what are they? You can consider that as a black box that gets an input as a source of data. This data can be anything, and then produces some sort of output that is relevant for your application. Say, for example, if the input data is images or videos, then we are in the realm of computer vision. And we are processing images or videos. And it's basically vision data. And then we produce some outputs depending on the application. Say, the first example that I have over here is a classifier. It detects what this picture is about. It's a person's image. It's not a dog's, it's not a cat's, it's not a car, it's a person. So that's a very simple classification application. Or it can just have a segmentation application that also locates where that object is. Not only it detects it's a person, but also detects where the boundaries of that person in that image is. Or it's like a description model that lets you know what's happening in the image. It's not only the person that I can know of, but it's dancing on a beach. So it's a more complicated model, of course. And then the input can be something else. Say, if it's a text, then we are not in the computer vision domain, but it's in the natural language processing, NLP. Most of the LLMs that are very popular, they are usually in the NLP. And there are different applications for that. Say, for example, like we want to read the feedback and understand a simple application, if this is a negative feedback or a positive feedback, or like correcting the spelling of a word, all those things that the input is text, output is also a text. Or the input can be a voice stream, and you're transcribing that. So it can be anything. But our focus is going to be mostly on the left-hand side, where the input is image and vision data, image or video, basically vision data. And vision data is also not only videos and images coming from the regular cameras, it can be from any sort of camera. So there are a lot of vision applications that are using, say, millimeter wave cameras, infrared cameras, etc.